Hey everybody, so this will officially be my last video of the day. I know, right? Um, so that's how I decided to do my New Year's. I got it, here, let's just swap this thing around. Got it looking good. It's all polished up. I didn't do the black, I didn't do the tires. I need to, but it's shining pretty good. I'm doing up some white LS decals for it. They're going to be kind of a ghost type decal. So, but I went ahead and I wasn't going to, and I decided to. I installed the new center console. So, I think it looks good. It matches the interior perfect. I couldn't have done better on the color. She got the coins, the cup holders, which actually holds a Yeti. I left the cassette in there. I've got to remount my gauge for fuel pressure, so I might just take that out. But I was wanting to move over anyhow, so I figured that'd be a good spot for it. Cassette player actually is a perfect leaning post for my phone when I'm going down the road. I've laid it up against there. I haven't driven it yet, so but I think it looks great. Show you from this side. Got to touch up a few spots because I had to do some cutting on it, but I think overall I went ahead and put a cigarette lighter plug in back there, because I don't like cables hanging down from there. So like I said, the cup holders fits a Yeti perfectly, and I like that. I got my phone cord just tucked right there. That's my spare. That's for the passenger. But like I said, it turned out real good. I don't have enough light back there. But I think it turned out good. I gotta vacuum it out and clean it out and everything. But it's solid. I mean, it's in there. I had to cut the back bracket down, I think 2 inches. The front bracket I cut off and used my factory bracket that was already on the floor. And that's it. She's installed. But like I said, the color, it matches the dash and everything, just perfect. I couldn't have done any better. So tell me what you think. And another thing, like I said, you got center console has got 2 inserts, so I like that. And the lid opens and closes, and it's solid. So the other one was falling in. Matter of fact, there's the other one. So this thing would not hold a soda for anything. You can see where it spilled. That was the front compartment. The back one, it's just falling apart. Tail lights, there's the old tail lights. I went ahead and installed the new junkyard tail lights. I taped them off. I repainted painted the chrome back black. That's the way I like it. But they look brand new. So it looks real good. Anyhow, comment, like, share. Please hit that like button. And thanks for watching. Tune in next time. We'll see if we can get some more stuff done. Some more bigger stuff than just detailing it. I know it's kind of bland, but it is what it is. It needed to be done. And then the center console, I'm glad about that. And the hood, getting that new hood on there. Yeah, I love that. Next thing we'll be getting on, cleaning up, buffing out, and getting that tailgate on. So tune in, like, comment, share. Happy New Year's, and I'll see y'all next year.